Welcome back. Many of us have heard of glass skin. It's taken over social media with everyone sharing their skincare routines on how to achieve that sought-after healthy glow. Today we have the expert in. Dr. Simran Sethi is here with her tips on how to get that beautiful, healthy skin. Hi, Dr. Sethi. Always good to see you.
Oh, very good. Thank you for having me.
Yes. So for anyone who might not know, tell us about this glass skin phenomenon that is all over social media.
Yes, you know, glass skin has stayed on social media for a long time, which tells you it's a good trend. It's healthy, but basically it's a trend where you apply skincare or do treatments that makes your skin look clear and so glowy that it almost looks like you have glass on it. So I guess that's why it's called the glass skin trio.
Okay, but for me, when I'm seeing all these people do these skincare things on TikTok, I'm afraid of purchasing these products off of TikTok. So what would you recommend? I think you might have a better way that we can achieve this glass skin.
Yes, there's a lot about glass skin, and there are some things that you should not do to achieve glass skin. The big one is Vaseline. Don't apply Vaseline to your skin and leave it on there. It'll just trap dirt and cause you to break out. But there are things that, yes, are great for your skin health in general. So the first one that I think is probably most achievable any age group, any skin type, is a facial, which includes, so in my practice, we do the Diamond Glow facial, but the facial has to include an exfoliation step, which can be done with microdermabrasion and some hydration. So that is going to clear the skin so that you can apply hydrating products for that glass skin appearance.
Okay.
After that, of course, a little more intense, I like the PicoSure laser treatment. Now, this is a collagen boosting treatment. And when you have new healthy collagen, your skin holds on to hydration better. It doesn't look dry or dull. Again, leading to that glass skin appearance, because glass skin is all about elevated hydration.
Yes.
And and of course, when I talk about PicoSure laser, it's for people who maybe need a little more help to get that hydration. Maybe they have a lot of fine lines. Maybe they have acne scars, you know, hyperpigmentation from old acne or sun damage, and it can be achieved. So PicoSure laser, great option.
Okay.
Especially for darker skin tones.
Perfect. Yes, I was going to ask you about the two treatments. So that, because who would they best be for? Like the Diamond Glow, anyone could do a facial, right?
Yes.
Everyone.
Whether you have, you know, healthy skin, problematic skin, and honestly, we have a lot of teenagers who get Diamond Glow facials because it's great for acne-prone skin. So, you know, if 14 years older and above, you can actually do that.
Okay. And the biggest thing that's happening with the Diamond Glow is getting the exfoliation. Yes. Right.
Safe but effective exfoliation.
Okay.
And then if if procedures and going into offices and appointments not your thing, skincare, what you do with your skin daily is obviously going to have a huge impact. And actually on my website, which my skincare website, skinbydrsethi.com, we have a glass skin trio. And when you look at the trio, the first product in it is actually an exfoliator. It's our glycolic gel, which is a 10% glycolic gel. So it's almost like a chemical peel. It's that strong, but it has hydrating peptides in it. So you'll apply it and you're not going to even feel like you've applied an exfoliant, but it really unclogs all the dirt and debris in our pores. So you want to close your pores for that glass skin appearance.
Okay.
The next product is our ENF serum, which is...
This trio also you brought us right
Yes,
here,
I brought it right here.
Yes, you brought the trio. So the first thing, I'm hearing a big part of getting this glass skin is exfoliation to begin with.
Because because imagine if you had a dirty window and there's all this dirt behind it and then glass, right? It's not going to look very good.
Right.
So the same is true with our skin.
Okay.
You have to exfoliate to actually have this nice hydrated appearance.
Okay, so what's the second step in the skincare?
The second step is the vitamin ENF serum, which is vitamin E, which is an excellent antioxidant. And then the F is actually not a vitamin, it refers to fats. So it has fats in the serum that mimic the fats in our skin. So the lipid-rich layer is not going to sit on your skin. It's actually going to seep into your skin and give you that intense hydration.
Okay, amazing.
Yes, and then the final product is actually our hyaluronic acid that seals in your moisture. So you're not losing all that moisture you've put in with the serum, and your skin stays hydrated, throughout the day.
Incredible. I love that you make it 3 easy steps, you know,
Yes, that's
a
right.
trio, a kit that you can come home. I think when it comes to skincare, people feel overwhelmed. So the fact that you can just, you know, pick up this trio, it makes it super easy. What are some of the results that you've seen with all of the things that we just talked about?
Well, you know, the big one, a lot of people have, so these are actually some of our top sellers, the first two especially. And what surprises people is how the exfoliant, where they've used other exfoliants and they're actually noticing that their skin is getting darker, more hyperpigmented and dull because they're too strong. This is strong, but it's balanced with hydration. So they're actually getting this excess pigmentation, dullness off their skin. And then the hydration is not making their skin oily, but really plump and more supple. So, that's what we hear. My skin doesn't look greasy. It looks balanced and it's looking clearer.
Okay, incredible. Well, Dr. Sethi, I love when you join us always to talk about all the skincare trends and just keeping us up with everything that we need to know. You are going to offer a code for a discount.
Yes, we have a fun January code. It's LITB25 for 25% off the Glass Skin Trio. And if you haven't tried it, I would say it's one of our most popular ones.
Okay, perfect. We'll put that on our website as well. So thank you.